Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 5 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, and here on the list of my devices you should see the Amazfit Bip 5. Tap on it to select it. Now find the option called watch faces and select it. And here we have the store for the watch faces basically, and you can browse through the different categories of watch faces, look for something you like. For example, let's open the exciting moments by tapping on more, and here we have different watch faces, as you can see. So find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. Maybe for example this one. Oh no, this one is paid, so we can't. Maybe, okay, let's say this one. So once you find the watch face and you want to download it, tap on the sync. It's gonna start downloading, and once it's done, it's gonna be applied on your watch. And you can also download other watch faces if you like to, and if you want to see which watch faces are installed on your watch, you can tap on mine right here in the watch faces menu, and it will open the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you can see them right here. You can also see previously purchased or downloaded watch faces right here on the purchase list. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.